Ki kubor ki babnya. Myntri Tnat Pule Puthi urakam sangma hene kesngi ula pentip syaka ying dorbar bakumba lai popratali ki Eklavya Model Residential Schools lani ki EMRS bat ki Centre of Excellence for Sports kin sabo hakeleng ke Jela Meghalaya. Haba jubab ya ke Jingkali usangma ula Pynpaw ba ki Jingthmu na ke Bynta ki EMRS bat ki jaka pentebit na ke Bynta ki kamyelek kai hakini ki snem baladep kidang hab ban yo jingmenjur na ke sarkar pedeng.
Because, sir, as of now, sir, the government of India has already, the first sanction is for Eklavya Model Residential School only first, sir. And as already replied, Centre of Excellence and other companies, we are awaiting the approval of the government of India, sir. Because, sir, for the EMRS, the first criteria, the land of about 8 acres should be available at the pre, of course. And so for the others, for the other component, I don't have information right now with me, sir. But as said, sir, after the completion of all this project EMRS first, sir, the second stage for COE and other component will be moved on, sir.
Myntri Tnat kakot kakia